Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. If you're looking to add a killer finishing touch to your custom cotton t-shirts, you definitely want to consider replacing the tags with a custom neck label. For the softest feeling heat transfer that can provide full color images on light garments, the Magic Touch TTC 3.1 is readily available for any white toner printer system. In this video, I'll be showing how to pull this off in no time with a Creo white toner printer. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. The Magic Touch TTC 3.1 is one of the most straightforward papers to use with your white toner printer system. It's a one-step material designed for light-colored fabrics that is perfectly suited for images with a transparent background. There's no need for weeding with this material, as only the printed portions of your graphic are actually transferred onto the item, similar to sublimation. This is in addition to having a surprisingly soft feel when applied and solid washing durability. While it's a great material for applying the main design on your t-shirt, it can work just as effectively as a neck label for your own line of clothing. To begin, you'll first need to create your neck label in your graphic design program with the document resolution at 300 dpi. Feel free to measure your shirt's open space at the neck area, though many neck labels are typically as tall as 2.5 inches. By preparing your design with either measurement in square form, this will ensure that the whole label will be visible at the inner neck area once applied. As you create your neck label, feel free to add your own extra touches to it, like adding your business's social media info or website. You can even add a fun little message breaking the usual formalities of a label. Of course, in addition to my business name, I'm going to include the garment's original country of origin, fiber content, and care instructions. This is to maintain compliance with the FTC and US Customs Department. For your own custom labels, please be sure to do your due diligence and include all required information. Once you've finished your neck label, you may print it through your white toner printer. As we'll be demonstrating this material with a Creo 8432 WDT printer, we'll need to export our label as a PNG image with a transparent background, or as an SVG or EPS vector file. This file will then be imported onto the Digital Factory RIP software for printing. Before importing, however, you'll want to set the Magic Touch TTC print mode for your neck label. Then change the paper size to A4. Once you've imported your neck label, you may go ahead and print it. If you happen to find that the colors of your print are a bit washed out, you can always color boost the image to your liking through the processing options in its properties. With the transfer printed, trim around the edges of the image with scissors. It's now ready to be applied as a neck label. Turn on your heat press and set it to 20 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. To be able to apply a transfer past a shirt's collar, you'll first need to add a pressing pad, like our T-Pad, on your machine's lower platen. Now you may add your shirt on top. Remove its tag label if you haven't done so already. Then pre-press it for 2 to 3 seconds to remove any wrinkles and moisture. Afterwards, place and center the transfer ink side down on the neck of the shirt, then press. After 20 seconds, open your machine and peel the TTC transfer while it's hot. You've now applied a colorful, custom neck label that's sure to make your custom shirt stand out above the competition. If you'd like to share your custom neck labels with us alongside a growing community of heat transfer enthusiasts, feel free to do so at our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about the Magic Touch transfer papers and other white toner products, visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with the My Expert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.